What's going on, growers? It's James Prigioni coming to you live from Jersey. Summer is here, and me and Tuck want to take you along with us for a fresh garden harvest. Let's go! Let's start things off by grabbing a broccoli head right here. We've got a green magic broccoli. This is one of the probably bigger broccoli heads that I've ever grown. Maybe the biggest. Look at the size of this thing. Fantastic, beautiful. So we're gonna cut this out. It's gonna be a nice meal. Oh yeah, excellent, excellent. We love seeing it. Tuck will show up once we cut something too. Looking pretty good, huh, Tuck? All right, that looks pretty good. Let's keep moving along. We've got some more stuff we want to grab. Let me get this easy boil. Let me get a couple of these lettuce heads right here, just because they're, to the point where they're gonna start flowering soon. This one is so beautiful. This is the bronze mignonnette. One of the reasons I love this, besides it being just so beautiful, is it bolts later than some of the other ones. So when you're planting lettuces, it's a good idea to plant a number of different varieties that'll be ready at different times. This way you can stagger your harvest, even though you're planting things still at the same time. Looks like Tuck just found a carrot. Looks like a Scarlet Nantes. That's a good idea, Tuck. Let's grab some other carrots over here. So we'll let Tuck snack on that. And then we've got a number of different varieties of carrots we're planting. In the back here, we've got the red cord centenary. Let's see what we got here. Here's the Istanbul Carrot. Let's grab one of those. Let's grab some more carrots right here. We've got the yellow carrot. It's like the Jaune Obtuse or something like that. Let's grab one here. Pretty nice shape. Look at that. We grow a lot of carrots because this guy, he loves his carrots so much. And I love eating them too. They're incredible snacks, and it's so cool storing them right in the ground. But I've got some other root crop too that I want to grab. Let's grab a garlic over here. We've got a bunch of garlic planted. And we planted this garlic last fall, if you remembered, and I showed you just how I planted it. Some of the garlic I planted in the rows where the tomatoes are, and then some I planted in this section over here. I'm just gonna grab a couple from this section, just enough to kind of cook up tonight. Take one of these guys out. Not too bad. Nice color. So we'll use this one today, and then tomorrow we'll come out and grab another one. I've got a lot of garlic to harvest, actually. Put that in the little tray, and let's grab a couple more carrots. Over here, we've got the Muscade carrots. We grow a lot of different varieties. It's one of the things that makes gardening so much fun. Let's grab a couple of these. Not too bad. Grab another one, maybe. Tuck, you gotta let me know what you think of these, boy. Is this something we should try again? Little different shape. Make sure it's Tuck approved. I'd say that's Tuck approved. Oh, he didn't even eat it. Is it Tuck approved or no? Let's see. What do you think, boy? And hit that like button if you guys love seeing Tuck in the videos. We love being out here and making the videos, and join the channel if you want to be a part of it as well. Join Team Grow. All right, buddy, that's enough. Let's move on. Let's go grab some more stuff over by the Birdie's raised bed. We've got some beautiful cabbage that I want to harvest, and I'm gonna cut it open to show you just how beautiful it is. Here's something I'm super excited about. This is the Ruby Perfection cabbage, and we're growing this in the Birdie's raised bed. We've got 4 beautiful cabbages just out of this small section. Look at this baby though. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna cut this one open to show you guys what it looks like. And let's cut this baby at the base. Check this out. Pretty amazing, isn't it? So let's peel some of the leaves back and then cut it open and show you what it looks like. There we go. Looks beautiful. We'll use these leaves just to kneel on for a second. Cut off the end. Tuck probably may want to snack on the end. We'll get you other stuff, boy. Now let's cut this baby open. Let's cut into this guy. Nice and watery, you can see once I cut it there. Let's see what she looks like on the inside. Oh yeah, so beautiful. I just love to see that. Man, that's gonna make some delicious salads. Beautiful. Let's keep moving though. We've got more stuff to harvest. And let's just get this other cabbage right here. This one is the Deadon Savoy. So another Savoy cabbage. Not as big as it could get, but what I wanted to do was harvest a lot of this stuff out of this bed because I want to get some summer stuff planted in there too. So another beautiful cabbage. Deadon Savoy, just excellent. So take some of these leaves off, and then let's keep harvesting because we got more stuff we got to grab. Okay, I emptied my bowl. Let's grab a few more things out of this keyhole raised bed. Some more beautiful lettuce heads. Excellent romaine, just makes such good salads. Let's get these 2 heads here. Beautiful. And this one's a little small, but still looks ready to go. Pretty tight too. We'll get those. Then there's a few beets here that are close to being ready, so I'm just gonna grab a couple because I plant 3 beets, if you come in close, in one spot right next to each other, and they kind of just push each other out of the way to grow. So sometimes I'll come and grab one of the beets out of the 3, give space for the other ones. Let's keep moving along though. We've got a lot of kale that we need to harvest because we keep picking and the leaves keep coming. So we've got the dazzling blue over here, 2 different plants. We've got the scarlet kale back here too. So we've got basically unlimited kale, as much as we can eat, but that's what we love to do because right now we're heading towards, going into summer, and in the midsummer it's tough to grow lettuce without a shade cloth or something. So what does incredibly well at this time of the year is the kale. So we only have to plant it once, it'll grow all season, it won't flower, and we'll be able to get salads from this as our lettuce is kind of bolting and stuff. Let's move into the old food forest, so we've got some stuff we need to harvest in there. Let's grab a cauliflower head that we have ready right here as I bring you in. And one thing you'll notice is this cauliflower head, I've bent a lot of the leaves down to cover the head because this head, the cauliflower head, is white, and if you allow it to get too much sun, it'll start to turn green. We don't want that. So it's got a little purpling in it, and it looks like it wants to separate. So let's cut this out, harvest it so we can eat this one. Not huge, but decent size. We've got more cauliflowers that are heading up. Pretty tight too. We like to see it. And we've got another broccoli over here we're gonna grab as well. And the cauliflower had a little bit of purpling in it. I think this was supposed to be the purple of Sicily, but I'm not positive. I think it should have more purple than that. Let's grab this broccoli head right here. You'll notice our broccoli plants, I'm not pulling all of them out because after it produces one head, it should produce another one as well. The green magic I like growing a lot. I seem to have a lot of luck with the broccoli heads. Not too bad. That's today's video, growers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. These videos are some of my favorite ones to make. Not only because we're getting harvest out of them, but because it's a joy to make the videos with Tuck. I feel like sometimes we're like making them together where I grab something and then he just shows up out of nowhere and steals it from me. He's definitely smarter than me, and he's definitely the inspiration for a lot of this garden. So again, hit that like button if you love seeing Tuck in the videos, because once we start talking about the guy, he's always showing up. Right, Tucky? Good boy. Right, boy? We have a lot of fun out here, me and this guy. We want to thank Jeff DeMarco, one of the new channel members. Thanks for your membership, and thanks for contributing to the channel and just being a part of Team Grow. It means a lot to me and Tuck. We've got a lot that we harvested already, but it's only early summer, so there's still so much to go. If you guys enjoyed the video though, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share with your friends. Don't forget to check out the merch down low. And remember, whenever you're on Amazon, start your shopping with our Amazon affiliate link. Tuck and James will be back at you again real soon. We